I'm Ashmeeta and welcome back to Food Garden. In today's episode, I'll be teaching you how to make tempura. So in today's episode, I'm going to be making vegetable tempura, but you can totally go ahead and use the exact same batter to make any type of meat tempura. So if you're interested, keep on watching.
So these are the ingredients that I'll be using. Here I have a half a cup of all-purpose flour, and over here are my chopped vegetables. So the vegetables that I'll be using for this recipe are zucchini, eggplant, mushroom, and kombucha squash. However, you can add any vegetables to your choosing. Here I'm taking a piece of zucchini and coating it with the all-purpose flour. And basically the point of doing this is to make sure that we dehydrate the vegetables before putting them into the batter. I do this for all of the vegetables. And this is what it should look like when it's all coated. Next, to make the batter, here I'm using a half a cup of all-purpose flour. And to that, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt. Next, I'm going to be adding a total of 2.5 cups of super cold water. I would recommend to add the water in intervals to determine how thick or how thin you'd like the batter. I like the batter to be quite thin. Now here's the frying process. So the water is very essential to the frying process because it creates the nice crispiness around the tempura. And this is the final product. I like to eat my tempura with some soy sauce. As always, the ingredients are in the description box down below. If you're liking the video so far, please feel free to click the subscribe button down below. It's completely free. It helps support the channel. Thank you! By subscribing and turning on the bell icon, you'll be notified every time Food Garden posts, and you'll automatically be entered into any future giveaways.
And there you have it. That's how you make tempura. Every time I go to a sushi restaurant, I always order tempura. And I never knew how they made it. And I tried it over and over and over again. And finally, it led me to this amazing recipe, which I hope you really enjoy. If you like this video, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you're alerted every time we post a new video.